Top auto insurance companies in true Michigans. Many companies say that among the best Michigan's auto insurance companies, but are the only a few that actually are. Even you are looking at getting in policy from a big name company, it helps to do a little research and find out as much as you can about the company you are planning to do business with. When it comes auto insurance rates, Michigan has the most expensive premiums in the United States. The why you should do your homework to get the best rates possible by comparing multiple quotes and policies. You will find the most affordable premium and save hundreds of dollars each year. The cost of Tri auto insurance can vary depending on several factors: your driving record, your age, and even the kind of car you drive will be considered if you are try in insurance premium. Cost of car insurance. Michigan's national average cost per year $13.11. Michigan's average cost $24.76 per year and has one most expensive auto premium in USA. Top car insurance in Troy MI. Allstate Insurance is one of the leading auto insurers in the nation. The company is rated any A plus in financial stability according to AM Best, one of the top independent insurance rating companies. This indicates that the company is financially stable and the meet is present and future financial obligations. AF Mutual Auto is rated an A plus plus by AM Best, indicating that it is extremely financially stable. Liberty Mutual File Insurance receives as rating from AM Best that this is still a perfect indicator of financial stability. Forum Bureau received an as a financial strength rating, which is nonetheless a very good indicator of financial strength. Also, Auto Club Group Progressive Auto Owners Insurance Co. These are some of the top in auto companies among drivers in Michigan. You probably have heard of most of them, but do not forget the popular does not always mean best. It sometimes just means a big advertising budget. If you ask your friends and families for car insurance recommendations that probably mention some of these names, it is definitely worth consulting them a quote from. Remember that the best rates are the hidden, so cast you are not as widely as you can. Choosing the best car insurance in Michigan. When choosing an auto insurance provider, take price into account but also looks at key factors such as response patience, customer service, and claims process. Now that you have the inside scope on some of the best Michigan auto insurance companies, you are ready to start shopping around of prices. With premium in the state being so high, you may just want to find the cheapest provider, but is worth it is in the long run to find an insurer that can give you the best package and that understand the needs of Michigan's drivers. The easiest and most effective way to get the quotes you need is to use a free online car insurance quote tool. Fill in your information once in online form and you will be provided with a variety of top MI car insurance companies quotes. The insurance node is Serial Enterprise, who founded Flex Ventures, a holding company that owns Flex Charges, the top rated and best selling power bank in our 19 countries with a #1 worldwide rank by Mashables, Injected and Digital Trends. Flex is a software and marketing consulting firm that will get your site the top of Google. 3 Flex Capital and investment from and for Younger Slacker Media, a series of popular websites like Future Shark, The Insurance Nerd, and Major Keys, and a very profitable Snapchat channel. And Younger Slacker feels free to out of you and questions.